Hi, I'm Brian from ImmacuValet Detailing, and with us today is a 720S Mclaren. This car's in for a single stage correction, followed by a stage of refinement and then a coating of Absolute Wax Ballistic ceramic coating. Went through the full decontamination phase, been brought in yesterday, and now we're going around the car on the painted parts, going through the single stage correction. Purpose for this is because I try to rectify factory installed blemishes to really bring out the clarity and the gloss and really make it look like the Mclaren that it is. Full front end on this car has been fully covered in paint protection film. That's been pitted seriously with bugs, dirt, you name it, but we're going to bring that back to its former glory as well. Remainder of the car, glass will be sealed, full interior will be set back to factory fresh. Wheels also, they'll have a quick sealant applied to them just to really keep them dust free for as long as possible.